Hi, David Tubb here. We're going to talk about our AR-15 Uptite grip. Lets you get up high and really control an AR-15. It's an ambidextrous safety compatible grip. It's extremely light. If you compare it to an A2 grip, it weighs about 400 grains less. It's a very robust grip. You see one here. And, I mean, you can really get after it. It'll stand a lot of abuse. And of course, this one's set up for a single-sided safety on here. You go to this one, you have ambidextrous safety, so you can engage the safety with your thumb, take it off with your index finger, or you can engage it and disengage it with your thumb, or you can engage it and disengage it with your index finger. It lets you grab the gun up high if you desire to do so. It's also usable down low, and it's a very comfortable grip. It gives you more control with an AR-15 in faster, let's say faster situations, because your hands doesn't have a tendency to want to droop down. And all in all, it's another product from Superior Shooting Systems that allows you to shoot your AR-15 more comfortably with quicker follow-ups, and obviously there's very little to be done other than bolt it on in order for it to work. They're about $50 from Superior Shooting Systems.